Our company, Haplast, produces a total of nearly 5,000 tons of plastic packaging per month. Of this, 4,000 tons are small-sized products like t-shirt bags, flat bags, garbage bags, zipper bags, mailer bags, compostable bags, and many more. The remaining 1,000 tons are dedicated to large roll bags, from agricultural film and container bags to large format rolls, designed to meet the specific needs of various industries. Today we're showcasing our large roll bags, highly durable, UV resistant, and perfect for outdoor applications with over 6 years of warranty. With UV stabilizers and anti-aesthetic additives, these products meet international standards, ensuring durability and reliability for our customers. With 28 Newton tensile strength and 600% elongation, our products ensure durability and reliability for every application. Moreover, our large roll bags feature a specially designed tear line that allows for effortless separation. This tear line is crafted to make detaching the bags as smooth as possible. Additionally, the bag film and the bottom of our bags are exceptionally sturdy. Allow me to introduce in detail the large-sized product lines that Haplast is currently manufacturing. This is the stretch hood film roll, a special type of PE film designed for packaging and protecting goods on pallets or in production lines. The rolls have a thickness of up to 300 microns and are produced in various sizes and colors to meet the diverse packaging needs of customers. Sizes range from 0.9 inches to 11.2. PE shrink film is a type of plastic film made from polyethylene, widely used in packaging applications. It is designed to shrink and tightly conform to the shape of a product or package when heat is applied, creating a secure protective seal. PE shrink film is commonly used for packaging consumer goods, food products, and industrial items. Its thickness can reach up to 100 microns. With customizable thickness and sizes based on customer preferences, both PE and PP bags are widely used due to their cost-effectiveness, flexibility, and availability. They are lightweight, easy to handle, and offer excellent protection for the items they carry. However, their non-biodegradable nature and environmental impact have raised concerns, prompting efforts to seek more sustainable alternatives. The PE liner bag for jumbo bags is a large-sized packaging bag made from thick polyethylene (PE) material, featuring an inner PE liner to protect goods from dust, moisture, and external impacts. This product is primarily used in industrial applications. Depending on the intended use, customers can request different product variations. The bag can handle loads ranging from 500 kg to 4,500 kg, with a thickness of up to 300 microns. The factory's production capacity for smaller bags with a maximum width of 120 cm is 100 tons per month. For product sizes ranging from 120 cm to 10 meter, the output ranges from 600 to 800 tons per month, depending on the size and product type. Container liner bags are large bags made from materials such as polypropylene designed to line the interior of shipping containers. They are commonly used to transport various materials, preventing contamination, protecting goods from moisture and other environmental factors, and improving loading and unloading efficiency. These liners can be removed and disposed of after use, allowing for easy cleaning and reuse of the container. Available sizes: 20 feet to 40 feet. Thickness is customizable up to 500 microns. Agricultural mulch film comes in black and gray colors, with widths ranging from 0.6 meters to 4.2 meters, and thicknesses from 16 microns to 30 microns. Key features include insect resistance, UV protection, anti-aging properties, weed growth prevention, reduced fertilizer consumption, and moisture retention for plants. PE film rolls come in black and white, with sizes ranging from 1.2 meter to 11 meter and thicknesses up to 500 microns. They are used for packaging and preserving products across various industries and agriculture. These films offer high water resistance, noise reduction capabilities, and are utilized as planting pots in agriculture and gardening. Wide LLDP, linear low-density polyethylene rolls, are plastic films rolled into large coils with widths up to several meters. Known for their elasticity and high durability, they are widely used in the packaging industry. Sizes 0.2 meter to 6.0 meter, with side-gusseted, or 0.2 meter to 4.2 meter, with non-gusseted. Thickness up to 500 microns. Functions include protecting goods from external impacts such as dust, moisture, scratches, and ensuring safe transport and storage. Packaging large items like pallets and cartons to prevent shifting during transit. Catering to diverse needs, from lightweight goods like clothing to heavy items like machinery. HDLE waterproof membrane pond liners are materials used for water containment in ponds, pools, aquaculture, and other water projects. Made from PVC or HDPE, thickness varies by application. Widths 5.0 meter to 11.0 meter, customizable. Thickness 307.0 meters to 850 meter broadsides. Applications: waste transport liners, salt production, road underlays, and livestock farming. For shrimp ponds, black liners use 307.50 microns in 5 meter 6 meter widths. Features: UV resistance, anti-aging, excellent mechanical properties. Choose Haplast. We are committed to supporting your success with high-quality solutions.